Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic method that involves swishing oil in your mouth to promote oral health. How to do oil pulling? Step 1. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in your mouth. Step 2. Swish and pull the oil in the mouth, moving it around and through the teeth. Step 3. Start out slow, 3 to 5 minutes, and work your way up until the oil becomes thin and whitish. Step 4. Spit out the oil in the trash can or tissue to avoid clogging the drain. Do not swallow the oil. Step 5. Rinse the mouth with warm water, and lastly, brush your teeth as usual.